Hey guys, this is Greg with NO49ADV. The Africa Twin is clean. I just cleaned it, and as you can see, there are some parts that are missing on it. The reason is I got my graphics kit from Kutvek, America, and if you're in Canada, here it's coming directly from Quebec. So don't hesitate to check their website. I'm gonna put the email address in the description, and yeah, they are great guys, so don't hesitate, look at what they have and check them out. I'm gonna try to film a little bit of the decal of it and speed up the thing and see how it goes. All right, I identified some of the decal for which side, so all of these guys are going on the left side of the bike, taking advantage of the nice warm day. Apparently it helps if the decals are a bit warm or at temperature, and I'm going to be using painter's tape, scissors, like they say in the tutorial to do it, because I'm by myself, and see how it goes. Can you see me? Okay, gotta start with a small one just to get used to it. Already put the tape, so now just need to grab my scissors here and see how it goes. Line up this guy as well as I can. Gusto is assisting as usual. Alright. Not too bad. Keep doing it. Remove the rest. Yeah. Many bubbles as possible in the first pass, so you don't have to struggle later on. It is better like this, I guess. So there's a little bit of flex in it, so you can kind of drive it wherever you want. And I think it's not bad for the first one. Ta-da! Alright, which one should we do? Should we do the a scary one? A scary one would be one that's like multiple levels backed into it. These guys kind of weird. I don't know how to Alright, I'll just keep going and until battery runs out, and Cousteau's gonna keep helping until get out of the way. Move your butt. Allez. Photo bombing. Always. Right. Right, no more comments. Just go, go, go. Hey, here you go, internet. It took 3 hours, but this is the finished product here. It looks pretty good, pretty good. Stay tuned, by the way, until the end of this video. There's a mini surprise for you, for whoever is watching and whoever has one of these. Yeah, 3 hours, and it was not too difficult to do, but it does take a little bit of time and patience and everything. Did not have to use the air dryer too much. Most of the thing, it was sunny yesterday, so most of the wraps they were warm, so it was not a problem. So now all we have to do is put the crash bars back in and voila, and go for a ride and show it off. So again, thanks Kutvek America. They did not sponsor this video, but they were cool. They were cool to deal with. Sorry, and it seemed like a great company. Talking about that, they sent me the wrong kit the first time because the Africa Twin models are very confusing. You have the base model like mine, manual and everything, and you have the Adventure Sport, right? So the Adventure Sport has a different frame at the back and a larger tank. So what happened is when they sent me the kit the first time, it was for the Adventure Sport. Talked back and forth, and I finally got the right kit, no big deal. But now I have this extra kit here, but I don't know what to do with it. I refuse to sell it. They didn't say what I should do with it, so what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna give it to you guys. Simple as that. And I'm gonna do a mini contest for people who are watching this video right now. And if you're in Canada or in the US, I will take my own money and ship it to you for free. And if you're in Europe, we may have to talk about it. It might be a bit more expensive to ship there. But the thing is, this is gonna be free. This is gonna be the exact same kit, but for the Adventure Sport model. Okay, so here's the contest. If you can guess how many pieces of this is on there right now, like the exact number, that's who is gonna get the free decal kit here. Okay, so guess how many separate pieces there are on my bike right now, and if you guess the number, you get this for the Adventure Sport. Sounds good? Once you put that in the comments, I will find the right answer, and we will contact each other via YouTube or whatnot. Okay, good luck. I hope you enjoyed this video as usual. Subscribe, don't subscribe, you do whatever you want. Enjoy your ride, make it pretty, and have fun on the road.